Hey everyone, so before this video gets started, there is an awesome opportunity for gig workers to make extra money, or really anybody, through a new program called TikTok Shop. So TikTok is really competing now with Amazon and eBay, and you can now buy items on the TikTok app, and you can now also sell items too, which is exactly what I'm doing. And in a single day, I made over $1,000 because I created a TikTok shop selling items, and you can do it too. Actually, anybody can do it. I didn't show my face. I really did this on a brand new account, so you don't need any experience or any followers. If you want to learn exactly how I did it and how I made over $1,000 in a single day on TikTok Shop, click the link below, and right now you can get a free trial when you sign up and join my community, my group chat. There's a 45-minute training there, so check that out. And now let's get started with the video. First topic is, why are so many Uber and Lyft drivers quitting? Why do 70% of drivers quit for Uber and Lyft in less than 8 months? Can you read this?
Yeah, so if Uber and Lyft lose 70% of their drivers in less than 8 months, how can they sustain a business model like that? Where do they find millions of drivers to replace them year after year?
Because the gig economy sucks. Yeah, you want to read this one?
Yeah, so this person is saying Kevin Smith used to drive for Uber and Lyft, and that both are unsustainable due to the taxes and maintenance costs. Let's say you make $5K per month after Uber and Lyft's cut. Then you deduct gas, which is by far the most expensive expense as a rideshare driver. And then you deduct maintenance, and it all comes down to your revenue.
Okay,
right?
I'm gonna cut you off real quick. What I think is the most expensive expense is your car depreciation. So your car is gonna go down in value the more you drive, right?
Yeah.
So I think that's probably the most expensive expense, not gas. But anyways, continue.
Yeah, so after all that, you still owe taxes as a 1099 worker. So let's say you end up with $2,000 after expenses. You need to deduct around 30% of that for taxes, and then that's how much you end up making per month. I tried to think about how to minimize all that, and I cannot think of a single thing unless you get an actual job and do Uber and Lyft on the side. But if you do Uber and Lyft on the side, then you're looking at maybe another few hundred a month before taxes. So maybe around $100 or so after all the investment. And then they're saying if you rent a car, you're also losing money. It's a good idea to not rent a car so you don't have to deal with the issues of ownership, but the cost is higher than owning a vehicle.
Yep. Basically, it's just saying, drivers are quitting because after a while they realize that it's a job where you have to spend money. It's a job where you have to spend money, basically.
Yeah, basically like pay to work.
Yeah, you're paying to work, and a lot of times you don't even make a profit after all things are said and done.